Time to make our red Chinese lantern. So get this construction paper out of your bag, scissors, and your glue. We need to first cut on the fat black lines. So we're cutting out the lantern and the handle. So I'm cutting on the fat black lines, and then I'll throw my scraps away because I don't need them anymore. All the way around, nice and carefully. So here's my lantern part, and then this rectangle is the handle. So you need to cut out the handle very carefully. And when we're gluing this together, it's not going to stick right away. So you need to hold it and pinch it. And I would count to maybe 20 while you're holding and pinching it. And then throw these in the scraps. With this, there's a thin line here. We need to fold this in half. So I'm just going to line up the black line there, and then carefully crease it all the way down to the end. So now I've got it folded here, and now these black lines we're going to cut. You can't cut all the way across, you just cut it off. So take your scissors and just cut to the end of it, and then stop. And then you'll do that all the way through. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. Alright, so now we've got all these. Then you just spin it in a circle here. And then we have to glue it. So just overlap it one trim there. And we'll need glue. So I'm going to take the side that's going to be gluey and I'm going to put a strip of glue with my glue stick. That one will be the best. So, I guess I can't really show you that, but so you don't need blobs of it. Just a strip all the way across. It would be easier if you had it laying down. So I've got my strip of glue. Fold this. Oops. There you go. Overlap it. Once you have it overlapped, then push it on the table and just squish it down and count to 20 so that it stays right there. And so I put my hand in here and then I'm pushing it down on the table so that I can get all the little creases out. I'm just pushing, I'm pushing. That seemed to do the trick, but I might hold the edges for a few more seconds. Then you could kind of springy bounce it like that so it sticks out. So here's my lantern. And now my handle, we're just going to fold it in half and glue it on the top of the inside. So I'm going to put a little glue on the end here. Just a smudge. Put that on the inside. And then put a little smudge right there. And glue that on the inside on the opposite side. And just pinch and hold it. And that is how you make your little Chinese lantern, so you could hang that up if you want.